Stand tall with your feet together and arms relaxed by your sides. Your spine grows long as you ground firmly through your feet. Fold from the hips and let your upper body hang over your legs. Relax your head and soften your knees slightly. Lift your chest halfway with a flat back. Keep your spine long and hands on your shins. Hold your body in one straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and press through your palms. Lower halfway with elbows hugging your ribs. Keep your body strong and straight without dropping your hips. Lift your chest and straighten your arms while legs hover or touch lightly. Shoulders draw down as you open the front of your body. Lift your hips up and back to form an inverted V shape. Lengthen your spine and reach your heels toward the floor. Raise one leg behind you while keeping your hips level. Arms press firmly as your lifted leg stretches long. Step one foot forward and sink your hips gently. Keep your chest open and eyes forward. Bend your front knee and reach your arms overhead. Hips face forward as your back leg stays strong. Open your hips to the side and extend both arms. Gaze past your front fingertips with steady strength. Slide your back hand down your leg and lift your top arm overhead. Your chest stays open as you stretch through the side body. Straighten your front leg and reach forward, lowering your hand to your shin. Your top arm lifts upward as your spine lengthens. Balance on one leg and place the opposite foot on your inner thigh or calf. Bring hands to heart center and stand steady like a tree. Bend your knees as if sitting into a chair with arms reaching upward. Keep your chest lifted and core strong. Wrap one arm under the other and one leg over the other. Sit low while maintaining balance and focus. Sit tall and twist gently to one side. Lengthen your spine as you rotate while relaxing your shoulders. Lower your torso over your thighs with arms reaching forward. Rest your forehead on the mat and breathe calmly. Lie flat on your back with arms relaxed at your sides. Let your whole body sink into complete stillness.